On a scale of 1 to 10, today's video gets an A. Do you smell jalapenos?
Yeah, I do.
I don't smell jalapenos.
I do though.
Well, you still got that thing?
Yeah.
Ew. So we are heading out to the fairgrounds to check on their progress out there. It has stopped raining, so thank you, rain, for quitting, because it was pouring, man. It was lots of rain. I guess we needed it. So we're going to go out to the fairgrounds and see kind of what the progress is out there and see how much they've gotten set up because it opens tomorrow, so it's probably set all done. Most of it anyway. So we're gonna go check that out. Having a coffee. And it stopped raining, so we're on a golf cart cruise with Miss Emily. She starts school next week. Beginning of next week, Tuesday?
Monday.
It does start Monday?
Yeah.
So Monday morning, this coming Monday, she starts school, and she's excited because she's in a class with one of her good friends, and she gets lockers and all that cool stuff. And TGIF, which is like an after-school thing where they can hang out and play games and stuff like that. So it is cool. It is cool. School was fun. That grade of school was fun. Once you got into the upper grades, not so much. I wasn't a big school fan, to be honest. Not really at all. Anyway, we're gonna go check out the fairgrounds. We will talk to you in a few. Bye. It's a pants wearing kind of day. So like I said before, this is kind of a catch-all channel. There's a lot of running content going to be on this channel, but and I do have a channel for like gaming and action figures and, you know, my Geek channel, but this channel is just kind of where I talk about everything. And there is a new game coming out. Now if you're a gamer, a PC gamer, I'm stoked about this game. It's called Overwatch, and it's made by Blizzard, who made WoW and Diablo and StarCraft and all those RPG or MMORPG, just massive world type of games like World of Warcraft. I mean, even non-gamers know about World of Warcraft, but Overwatch. Oh, cannot wait. I signed up for beta testing, and so when that's available, I'll get some early access to it, but not sure when the game's going to be released, but I cannot wait. I've got quite a few old gamer friends. We used to do a lot of PC gaming back in the day, and we played a lot of FPS, first-person shooters, like a Delta Force series, the whole Delta Force series. We did Tribes and different first-person shooters. So, and this is a first-person shooter made by Blizzard with really cool characters. If you haven't checked it out or seen the game, check out Overwatch. I'll put a link to their website. Man, this game is gonna rock. So Emily had the idea of coming down this alley. Okay, we started down there, not so bad, and we get up here and it's deep, and it's not up over the tires yet, but up there, well, let's creep up there. We'll creep up there. See it. It's kind of a little over the tires, but I don't think we can make it.
Either do I. Don't try, Dad.
Wait, maybe we can. We got this. I don't know. This is. So, this is a predicament Emily got us in. I think we can make it. You think we can make it?
I really don't.
Okay, we're gonna try to do this. If we get too deep, we'll just back out. But we're not up
over the tires.
A little bit,
Over
but
the rim.
right. But we're still good. It's not flooding in over the golf cart yet.
No. I want to see how deep it is. Stop real quick.
Okay.
Holy crap! It goes to here.
All right, so we got this. We can do this. We're gonna make it through. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, no problem. It's not as deep as it looked.
Let's go back through it.
Yeah, that wasn't so bad.
Let's go back through.
That's what we was in. Not too bad. We're gonna go back through. Okay, so, you know, around here where I'm from, sometimes big excitement is after a big rain when you got lots of water. So, Emily had an idea to float the GoPro through there. And we needed something to float it on. So, we found this semi-disgusting egg carton, which she's trying to clean out a little bit. We're going to close it. I'm going to poke the GoPro into the egg carton. We're going to take it down there and float it through the drain, float it through the opening. Okay, maybe a slight change of plans. I don't know if I want to float it through because it's on an egg carton. And if it gets sideways and gets stuck, then my GoPro is stuck under the freaking ground. So maybe we'll just float it down that way. We'll do that. Alright, so I think we got a better option. I'm going to try this lid. I'm going to set the GoPro like this. Alright, so the lid's not a great idea. GoPro's too heavy for it. It sinks. We're going to try the styrofoam again, but I think we're going to cut it down and make it a little smaller. Alright, so I pulled the top off and I wedged it in there. See if this works a little bit better.